My name's Annie Shellard. I teach on the intensive Womenswear pattern cutting. I have about 35 years experience pattern cutting. I've mainly worked in lingerie, bridal wear and leisure wear, although at the moment I seem to be specialising in trousers. Students can arrive knowing very little or nothing. We take students through from learning how to manipulate darts to some quite sophisticated pattern cutting. Collars, we do bodices, skirts, dresses, trousers, all in the space of 3 weeks. But it's a great little course, especially if you need a refresher or you need a good kickstart, because you'll learn all the basic pattern cutting techniques that you need to make pretty much anything. And then you need to leave the course and go and experiment. Apply the things that you've learned to something that you have an interest in and be brave.